What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you see from the thumbnail and the title, today we got something new, something exciting, and something loud. So today we're gonna be doing a Borla ATAK install. And I can't wait. This is one of the things I want to do from day one that I actually ended up buying this car. I knew that 1, exhaust, 2, Brembos, 3, interior, GT350 steering wheel, and some other small stuff that are carbon stuff. So those are some of the things I want to do. And exterior, I knew from the get-go I wanted to do stripes. I wanted to make mine slightly different than all the other ones, because I did get the base S550, so there's no premium package, no nothing. So I want to differentiate it just a little bit. Also, my dog is, I don't know what he's doing, but I'm in my living room, and I just got the Borla ATAK box. So I have it in my living room. I have opened it just to see what it looks like, but I haven't really taken it out. So let's go unbox it. Alrighty guys, so like I said, I just got the Borla ATAK box. I have opened it just to take a quick sneak peek, but let's open it together. Boom, bang, pow. And I gotta say, the packaging is spot on. I would not think that they would be that good. Of course, I've never really bought an exhaust this expensive, so I already see one little piece right there popping out, and you got another one right there. Let's see. First foam off, and then bam, you are instantly with the, look at that, oh my god. What does that say right there? Borla ATAK. Yes, so I didn't get the Borla ATAK cap or the axle back. I actually got the Borla ATAK cap back. So I wanted to make sure I got the loudest exhaust they had, but there's two factors that made me choose this one. A, I wanted to make sure I got the loudest exhaust I could, but without trading off drone. If you ever own a catback exhaust, you can get drone. On my 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT, I ended up getting a catback, and the drone is unbearable. So I wanted to make sure whatever exhaust I got doesn't have drone. And with this one, every review, anything that anyone says about it, zero drone. So that's why I ended up getting the Borla ATAK. In the future, I might change out the mid pipe for an X pipe just to make it louder, but for right now, because my car is a daily driver, and on a daily basis I drive about 20 to 25 miles, I don't want those miles to be freaking ear piercing. Like I said, my old clips, I had a catback, and the freaking exhaust note is so awful. But let's get a closer detailed look, and then later on we'll be installing this. A beautiful thing. Look at that. Borla ATAK. Alrighty, let's see. So this is one of the mid pipes, I believe. And this is one of the pipes that actually go from the axle. I don't want to take it all out just yet, just because it's actually raining outside, so I'm not going to be doing the install until about 2-3 hours from when I'm actually recording these clips, just because it's supposed to stop raining in about an hour. Let's check this 3-inch pipe out. Like I said, Borla ATAK. One thing I know for sure is my brother's gonna be jealous, because he's been wanting the Borla ATAK. Look at that shine, oh my god. He's been wanting this exact same exhaust setup on his car. And then of course, you got the Borla ATAK mid pipe right there. So alrighty, that's all I'm gonna take off for now. Like I said, we are gonna be doing an install in just a second. But right now, my actual current time is raining, so we're gonna skip to the actual install. And first and foremost, let's say hello to my beautiful little dog, Timon. Look at that. He even has, my girlfriend ended up buying him a Timon tag right there, because I named him after freaking Timon on Lion King. Just look at his color. A beautiful Timon. But alrighty, we'll get back to it just when I'm ready to install this. Alrighty guys, so I got good news and bad news. So the bad news is, unfortunately, I was not able to record me installing the Borla ATAK system. And I say I wasn't able to just because the day of the installation it started raining and I don't have anything to really cover the camera or the microphone. So I really don't want to jeopardize this equipment just to show you. And I really do apologize. I really was trying to. It took about 4 hours. Because my driveway is gravel, I can't really put jack stands or without being secure, so I didn't do jack stands. I put it up a rhino ramp and it gives me about 5 inches maybe, and it was a really tight squeeze, but I actually got them installed and I got the old one uninstalled. And for the time being, I'm gonna move it to my back, but there is the old one, and I gotta say the resonator is ginormous on the stock exhaust. Also, I do want to say that this is probably one of the best exhausts that you can get for that S550 Mustang, because one, there's no drone, and two, it is extremely loud. Yeah, so like I was saying, it is extremely loud, and in just a second, I'm going to play you some clips of me revving it. I've had it installed for about maybe 25, 26 miles, so it's not going to be the deepest just yet, but if you guys want to take a quick sneak peek at it, it looks phenomenal. The 3-inch exhaust hole. Unfortunately, you can't really see the Borla logo. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. I forgot that's coming out piping hot. But yeah, let me show you some revs real quick and let's see how you like it. Also, one thing that I noticed is when you do downshift, it freaking pops like crazy. So that's one of the upsides I like about it. So hopefully the camera doesn't fall, but let me show you what it sounds like. So as you can hear, it usually pops like that when you hit 3,000 RPM. So it's not the highest RPM that you need to be in, but yes, it sounds amazing, and I'm so glad I was able to install it. Also, I don't know if I'm adding this to another clip, but look, I did actually end up getting a Spartan's Expedition little vinyl, and I'm gonna put one on the other side as well. I do have other plans, like I said, for this car, but for now is just the exhaust. And oh my god, if you have an S550, the freaking Borla ATAK is a perfect exhaust system to go with. I would highly recommend it. But without further ado, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I know it was a short video. I was planning on showing the installation, but it was raining, so I apologize. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, one last thing I do want to bring up is I had a recent subscriber actually comment on my last video and said how he enjoyed the video and how he is planning on getting S550. And to you and say thank you, anybody who leaves a positive comment like that. It just makes my day. I love hearing feedback from you guys, and I love knowing that you guys enjoyed the video. So I just want to quick shout out to you, and yeah, let's just end the video. So peace out, have a great day.
Is it so hard to let you go?